Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week. And these are either going to be tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or tools I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have purchased them or used them. So first up is a pretty basic little set. This is from Dewalt. Dewalt actually has some pretty decent hand tools if you're selective about it. This is the screwdriver bit set with nut drivers. It's a 71 piece set. You can see the part number there for it. It has 4.8 stars at 4,972 ratings, so it's rated quite a bit and rated very highly. It is at $26.55, down from basically $55 list price. I still want to say this thing is normally around the $30 price range, so I don't think I've ever seen it actually sold at the list price. But you're going to get a good selection of bits and net drivers with the driver and a little, tough case or whatever you want to call it. And these are stackable. They have different sets, different types of sets available where you can, connect them all together. But here's what you're looking at. I actually had this set a while back before I got a different set that I preferred. This doesn't have a magnetic end in the driver here. I believe, if I remember correctly, it uses a retention ring. It's not exactly what I prefer, and these aren't magnetic, but if you're looking for a very affordable, wide variety set that includes both bits and nut drivers, and it's pretty compact, so you don't have to have stuff everywhere, this is a good option. I enjoyed it while I had it. I had it probably 2 years and used it quite a bit. I do like this handle design. It always reminded me of the old classic Klein handle design that I used a lot as a kid. And so it was a comfortable driver, but once again, I wish it was magnetic, but not a deal breaker there, especially for the price range. A lot of people are extremely happy with it. So here's another one of the sets that come in like the same case. And here's a lot of the sizes that are going to be included in this set. So there is quite a bit, and it's metric and SAE. Better view of that if you'd like to pause. A lot of really good reviews, like I stated above. So I think for the price, it's a really good set, especially if this is something you're looking for. Save a little bit of space, get a good variety. I think it's a decent deal. Next up is a product that I have from Matco, but back when I bought my set, it was really Matco and Gear Wrench, and there weren't many others, especially on Amazon. But now many brands sell almost identical sets. This is a magnetic spark plug socket set, and you basically have the built-in wobble extension. You don't have to worry about the spark plug socket coming off of the extension or anything like that. It's built into it, so you get some angle without having to worry about spark plug sockets coming off. They're magnetic, so that is a very handy feature. All around, I really enjoy my Matco set. I paid quite a bit more for it, but there weren't many to choose from back when I purchased mine, so now there are quite a few, and this is just one that I thought was priced pretty well. At $56, it has 4.7 stars and 313 ratings. There are some cheaper ones out there and some different size sets also, so I'll just run through these pictures real quick so you can kind of see that. Or there's the magnet inside, the case that it comes in, and how it's laid out. And here you can see just some of the other sets available. Here's an Aries set that's a little bit smaller, but it's $48. I figured for the size of set, the one that we're looking at is a little bit better deal. Just a little bit of information. Once again, all of these products will be linked down in the description. They'll have their own dedicated link, each product, so you can easily find it. And then I'll have 2 more additional links that say tools and tools continued. That will take you to a long list of tools that I suggest. So those are there for you guys. And here are just some of the other ones available. There's the Gear Wrench one. It's $50. Here is I don't even know how to pronounce that. It's $39. But this one has a different base, how they're attached, than what I'm used to. So I figured I'd at least go over the one that I have the same design as. There are a few different designs out there. This one only has 15 ratings. It's still rated pretty highly. You get a good selection. So just keep in mind there are many other brands out there offering many different size sets and designs. So next up is one that I mentioned in the past that I know a lot of people were pretty interested in, but it was just a 4-piece 10mm set. It was 2 1/4-inch and 2 3/8 sockets, and it was deep and shallow of each. Basically, what you have here is a high-vis glowing ring on your sockets from Astro Tools. This is part number 4143. This is a 43-piece set, and it's 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive in both shallow and deep, and they are 6-point sockets. This has 4.8 stars at 36 ratings at just under $65. It's not on sale. You can see they all come on their little aluminum rails. You can see the yellow high-vis stripe on them. There you can see them glowing. There's the full set. And here's just a little bit of information. The 1/4 inch sockets, you're going to have a 10-piece 4 through 13 millimeter. Normally you see them up to 14 millimeter, and a lot of people prefer them up to 15 millimeter, but it is, you know, what it is. So with the 3/8 drive shallow sockets, you get 8 through 19, no skips. But when you get to the 3/8 deep sockets, you're going to have all of the same, except you're not going to get a 9 millimeter. That's kind of a random one to leave out when you include it in shallow but not deep. Very awkward, but I know a lot of people that were really interested in the 4-piece set that I had showed before, so I figured I'd include this one. And once again, some good reviews on this one. So if this is something that you guys would find helpful, they have a bigger set. This may have been out a little while now, and I just didn't know it, but I didn't see it before, so I'm including it now. So $65 for a 43-piece set in both 1/4 inch drive and 3/8 drive, shallow and deep 6-point sockets. And then last up for today's video is going to be the Milwaukee 1/4 inch drive ratchet and socket set. I know a little while back these were on sale, and a lot of people picked them up because I really enjoy a lot of the Milwaukee hand tool lineup, but I do not enjoy the typical list price of them that they sell at. They're normally overpriced for what they are, especially when you compare them to other brands in the same quality range. Milwaukee is not the way to go if you're looking for the best deal. But when you find Milwaukee hand tools on sale, sometimes you can find some pretty dang good deals. And I think this is a pretty good deal at $80. It's not terrible. It's not the best when you compare it to others, but it's much more reasonable. The typical price is $109, and it's down to $80. It has 4.9 stars at 425 ratings. Definitely not the best image here, but I like the layout, the size of set. I like the customization of the organizer, how you can toss this into the case and go, or you can take it out, and if you have the room, you can just simply set this tray in your toolbox. It keeps things very organized, and it's good quality stuff. I have a couple of the Milwaukee ratchets that I really enjoyed. It's the 90-tooth design with a 4-degree arc swing. They have other sets available as well, but this one seemed to be one of the better priced ones, so I figured I'd add it in and get your guys' thoughts on it. If you guys have seen it at a much better price, let me know where so others can find it. But I think this is probably one of the better deals that you're going to find on the Milwaukee hand tools going on right now. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on these products or products that we'd like to see in the future. Keep in mind, all of these products will be linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more content. See you guys next time.